Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Zoho Projects with Google Workspace step by step clearly. To get started with authenticating Zoho Projects using Google Workspace, open your web browser. Navigate to the Zoho Projects login page. Enter your Zoho Projects credentials to sign in. Once logged in, go to the Settings option on the top right corner of the dashboard. Select Integrations from the Settings menu. In the Integrations section, look for Google Workspace and click on it. You will see an option to enable Google Workspace integration. Click the toggle button to turn it on. A pop-up window will appear requesting permission to connect with your Google account. Choose the Google account you want to integrate. Grant permissions by clicking the Allow button. Once permissions are granted, you will be redirected back to the Zoho Projects integrations page. Confirm that the integration status has changed to Connected. Now, you can set preferences for how Zoho Projects interacts with your Google. Adjust settings based on whether you want to sync tasks, documents, or calendars. Make sure to save your settings by clicking the Save button. You have successfully authenticated Zoho Projects with Google Workspace. Test the integration by creating a new project and checking if it reflects in your Google Workspace. This ensures everything is smoothly linked and functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.